Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make this cool DIY isolation shield. Let's get on with the video. Alright, so this may vary depending on if you have a boom arm stand or if you don't have one. But anyways, get an Amazon box, which I'm not sure if many people will have it. Get an Amazon box and cut it out for different microphones and stuff. Depending on, like I said, if you have a boom arm, I'd recommend cutting out the bottom and then keeping the top. But anyways, I have 3 acoustic foam panels. They're not glued in, they're not taped in. Basically, I just put tape over the top just so it doesn't move around. So yeah, that's basically what I did. But anyways, you basically just cover the seals, so you seal it off with duct tape. Yeah, so just seal it off with duct tape. If you already have a box opened, if not, just seal it anyways, if that made sense. So yeah, just seal it, put the acoustic foam inside, and then just put it over your microphone like this, and it should look something like this. Looks kind of cool, I guess. You could spray paint it or do whatever you want to it, customize it. But yeah, this is the Blue Yeti microphone without the isolation shield. I don't know how it sounds, so I'm gonna go ahead and test out on how it sounds on both of them. So yeah, this is the test of the isolation shield. No isolation shields. This is the Blue Yeti microphone test with the DIY shield, isolation shield, and hopefully it sounds a lot better. I'm hoping it sounds better because maybe I can just have it on there forever or whatever, but hopefully it sounds good. I'm thinking it sounds good. So this is what the Blue Yeti microphone looks like with the isolation shield. I have 3 acoustic foam panels in here with an Amazon box. Duct tape covering all the seals. It looks very ugly, so if it sounds good, then I'm all for it. But if it doesn't, if it makes a small difference, if you guys can tell me if it makes a small difference, then let me know. This is probably going to be mainly for voiceovers or anything else like that, so I probably won't be using it all the time, but now that I have it, it's a good option. So yeah, basically cardboard box, duct tape, 3 acoustic foam panels, and the Blue Yeti microphone. That's all you need. I do have an arm stand, so yeah. It's a little bit hard to take off. I had to put a duct tape right here because I messed up, and then just duct tape surrounded around the pop filter. But it still works nevertheless. And yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.